Hello students, welcome back to my video. So in the last video you have seen the divisibility tests, right? So I have explained all the divisibility tests here and I told you to read and practice these divisibility tests. So I hope you have done this, right? So now in the next video, we'll going to start the exercise 3.2, okay? So what is the question number 1? Test the divisibility of the following numbers by 2. Okay, so you have to check whether these numbers are dividing by 2 or not. So what is the divisibility test of 2? So to divide any number with 2, we have to see the ones digit. That means the unit place digit, or you can say ones digit. So what is the ones digit here? If the ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, okay, then it is divisible by 2, right? That means, so here the ones digit is what? 0. That means this number is divisible by what? 2. Very easy. Then here B number, here the ones place is what? 5. So 5 is not divisible by 2, that means it is not divisible by 2. Here you can see the ones place digit is 6, so it is divisible by 2. And D number, here the unit place is 7, so it is not divisible by 2. In this way you have to see and check whether they are divisible by 2 or not. So in this way every question will get the other divisibility test. Okay, how to write this? See, okay students, see here how to write. So here question number 1a, 562820. Here the ones place digit is 0. Okay, so 56280 is divisible by 2. Okay, now in this B number, here the ones place digit is 5. So 46145 is not divisible by 2. So very simple. So in this way you have to write the answers. Okay, so C and D you do by your own. Now next we do question number 2. Test the divisibility by the following numbers by 3. So you have to check the divisibility by 3. So what was the rule of the divisibility by 3? So we know that to test the divisibility of 3, we have to add all the digits of this number. Then if the answer is coming as the multiple of 3, then it is divisible by 3, otherwise not. Okay, let's see this. Okay, students, see here question number 2a, 74912. So to test the divisibility of 3, what you do? Sum of the digits. So you have to add all the digits, 7 plus 4 plus 9 plus 1 plus 2. So it is coming 23. So 23 is not divisible by 3. That means this number is not divisible by 3. Okay. So at last you have to write like this. So it is coming 23, which is not divisible by 3. Okay. So 74912 is not divisible by 3. Okay. In this way you have to write. Next B number, 59121. So how to write this B number? Sum of the digits you have to do 5 plus 9 plus 1 2 plus 1 equal to 18 coming. So 18 is divisible by 3, right? 3 6 is 18. So which is divisible by 3? So 59121 is also divisible by 3. So very easy to write, right? And the C number and D number you do by your own. Okay. Now 3 number question. Test the divisibility of the following numbers by 6. So you have to test by 6. What was the divisibility test by 6? You have to check whether this number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. If it is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it is also divisible by 6, right? Now question number 3a, what is the way of writing? See, 34920. Here you have to check the divisibility by 2 first of all. Here the ones place digit is 0, so 34920 is divisible by 2. Okay, this part is finished. Now sum of the digits you have to do. 3 plus 4 plus 9 plus 2 plus 0 is coming 18, which is divisible by 3. So 34920 is divisible by 3. So when this number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then what will happen? So 34920 is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So 34920 is divisible by 6. Okay. So in this way you have to write this question. So next B number, 541212. So here in question number B, 541212, here the ones place digit is 2. So 541212 is divisible by 2. Okay, right? Now we'll check by 3. So what is given? Sum of the digits you have to check first of all. Sum of the digits is coming 15. So which is divisible by 3. So 541212 is divisible by 3 also. So 541212 divisible by 2 and 3 both. So 541212 is divisible by 6 also, right? Now we'll see in the question number C, 360123. So here in this question number C, 360123, here the ones place digit is 3, okay? Here you can see 3. So 360123 is not divisible by 2. Understood? So therefore 360123 is not divisible by 6 also. So if you see if it is not divisible by 2, or if not divisible by 3, any case, if any one case fails, that means it is not divisible by 6. So we have seen that it is not divisible by 2. So we will not try with 3 because it is only, we have seen that it is not divisible by 3. So question number D you do, okay? Next, question number 4. Test the divisibility of the following by 4. So you have to check by 4. So for divisibility test is what? You have to check that last 2 digits, that means that tens place and ones place is divisible by 4 or not. You have to check 56 is divisible by 4 or not. Okay, let's see. 2, 4, 5, 7, 5, 6. So question number 4a, 24, 7, 5, 6. What you do? Here you have to check the last 2 digits, that means the 56. Here the last 2 digits is 56. So 56 is divisible by 4. You have to divide and check. Okay. So here 4 1 is 4, then 1, then 6, 4 4 is 16. So it is the 56 is divisible by 4. So that's why 2 4 7 5 6 is divisible by 4. Understood? In this you have to write. So let us see C number. B and D is homework. 2 4 8 8 6. Now in C number 24886, here the last 2 digits is 86. So we'll check by 4. We'll divide by 4 this 86. So when you're dividing 86 by 4, 4 2 is 8, then 6 remaining, 4 1 is 4. So it is 2 remaining. So it is not dividing. So that's why 86 is not divisible by 4. So therefore 24886 is not divisible by 4. In this way you have to write. Understood? Now next, question number 5. Find whether the following numbers are divisible by 8. So to test divisible by 8, we have to check the last 3 digit is divisible by 8 or not. So A number 632888. Here in this question 5 number A, 632888. Here the last 3 digits are 888. So you have to divide this number with 8. So 8 1 is 8, 8 1 is 8, 8 1 is 8. That means it is complete dividing. So 888 is divisible by 8. So therefore 632888 is divisible by 8. In this way you have to write. Okay. Now let's see C number. B and D are our homework. Okay. So 395282. So here in this question number C, you can see 395282. Here the last 3 digits are 282. So we'll divide this 3 digit number by 8. So 8 3 is 24. Then 8 minus 4 4. Then 2 coming. So 8 5 is 40. So 2 is remainder. So it is not dividing by 8. So 282 is not divisible by 8. So 395282 is also not divisible by 8. So this is the way of writing. Understood? So students, I have solved up to question number 5. So that's all for today. So practice the homeworks. Okay. Thank you.